Tiffany and I have been in Haiti now for about 3.5 days. We wake up 6:30 in the morning and we drive to rural clinic areas. We've seen a lot of irrigation of some really infected wounds, really infected wounds. We've done a lot of suture removals, we've done a lot of casting and splinting and slinging of broken bones and burn care. And the children aren't smiling. They have a very stoic look. We've been doing a lot of play therapy with Beanie Babies and stickers, and they really like for us to take pictures of them. That really makes kids smile, and showing their picture on the digital camera back to them.
Yesterday was definitely our most exhausting day, I think emotionally and physically, that we've had. We went out about 3 hours west of Port-au-Prince in a little city. I don't even know the name of it. It's not even a city, I guess it's a village, where the access to medical care is a lot harder to get to. The drive was beautiful, even amidst all the rubble and the buildings that had collapsed. And Francois, one of our translators, did a little devotional for us, and we sang and prayed. And then we made the announcement that we would like to see all the trauma patients first that had broken bones or wounds. And quietly and calmly, they sat there through the devotional, and one by one started to stand up to come be assessed for their traumas. And it was a little shocking, to say the least, what these people had endured for the last 2 weeks with little to no medical care. One small girl who was 10 years old, during the earthquake, some of the ceiling fell on her. She was apparently around the cooking fire. The house came down on her and it trapped her hand right up next to the cooking fire. When they came to pull her out, it ripped her finger off, and her thumb was burned to the point that it was black. She had no feeling in it. And she sat there like that for 14 days without anything but a gauze wrapped around her arm. Thankfully, one of our team members that was here from Compassion had a contact that was in the city that was here also doing relief work, that's a hand surgeon. So we were able to send him a message, send him a picture of her hand, and she was able to be transported to a hospital, which was incredible.
It's crazy. People are living on streets. Everybody's living on the streets. Everybody. Sleeping on moldy mattresses. Trading and bartering for food and water. I have this, what can you trade me for this? And it's sad. People are tearful. But there is hope, and a lot of the Haitian people believe in God, and so they have their faith and they just trust God.